Taryl Dactal here. And did you ever have an engine where the muffkin started glowing cherry red only after maybe a few minutes and it never did that before? Well, there could be a couple of reasons why it's getting cherry red. Might be mad at you. Maybe the engine's mad at you. That's what it is. Okay, follow me on Facebook. No. If you got a muffkin that's glowing cherry red, could be a couple of reasons why. It's mad at you, like I said. Now, what it is, or could be, is the flywheel key might be partially sheared or sheared, and it's throwing the timing off. It's firing at the wrong time. It'll turn it cherry red, plus there'll be a loss of power. Another reason could be, needs a valve job. It's got leaky valves. It's got enough compression to run it, but it's getting hot because it needs a valve job. Another reason the muffkin could be turning cherry red is because it's running too lean, like we showed you. And then when I richened it up, gave it more fuel, it cooled it down. So now, we're gonna fire it up, fire it up, fire it up. Look who's back. Human shop rag, elk skin. All right, so let's fire it up and show you that it's not gonna glow cherry red anymore. Now it won't start at all. Three things you need to look at when you got a muffkin that's turning cherry red. Timing could be off, partially sheared flywheel key, and that's generally because somebody was in there monkeying around and didn't get the flywheel nut tight enough and it sheared it a little. Valve job, got leaky valves so everything's getting hot, or it's running lean. Got to richen up that carburetor somehow. If it don't have adjustments, you may have to drill out the jets. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. That's me. I'm that handsome devil right there, see? See the likeness? Follow me with your cherry red muffkins on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo!